Good.
Ch.
Got it? Uh-huh. Good. Do you know the other sound? It's like a little bit more voiced. Yep.
Or.
Mm-hmm.
R.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oo.
And? Yeah, like in book.
E.
And? Like in bread.
Yes.
Yeah, that's tricky.
I.
It says I, like pie,
I.
and
E.
like cookie.
Ow.
Mm-hmm.
O.
Got it.
A.
Beautiful.
E.
Mm-hmm.
I.
Yep.
O.
Mm-hmm.
Oo.
Ooh and you, just depending on the word.
A.
Mm-hmm.
Oi.
Yep.
Ah.
Mm-hmm.
Ow.
Yep.
Oo.
Same thing. Ooh and you. Yep.
Ch.
Yep.
J.
Okay, I put the hardest one last. 4 sounds.
A. A.
Y.
Yuck.
Yeah, like yellow. I,
I.
like Jim.
Okay.
E, like funny.
Okay.
And I, like my.
It's a lot.
This sound sucks, but you did a good job. You did great.
Those are hard. I'm like, wait, what am I doing?
You did so